Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a favorites video. I haven't recorded a favorites video in a while, so I wanted to come to you guys with that. Most of these are going to be makeup related, but I do have a few other things on this list as well. So I'm going to start off with my lashes. So the pair that I have been wearing a lot is from the brand Bold Face Makeup, and I first heard about this brand on Jackie Ina's channel probably like a couple years ago. But I was looking at different, cosmetic brands on Instagram, and I came across this one, and I don't like to spend a whole lot of money on lashes. The most I have ever spent on lashes was $18 for one pair. I discovered this brand recently, and I think these lashes were like under $15, I think, but they're so dramatic and voluminous and actually really easy to apply, in my opinion. I feel like the band it's thicker, but it's not like so thick to where it's really hard to put it on. So of course they have more natural lashes, that aren't as full, but the company is called Bold Face, so they have more like dramatic lashes, which is what I like. Really check them out, especially if you are somebody like me that likes more dramatic lashes. Still like the Her lashes that I talked about back in June, I believe, June or July. But I wanted to try out some other brands and see what's out there, and I really do like this particular company. And the ones I have on now, I think they're called the Power Pair, and I love these lashes. Like, first of all, I love my makeup today. I just had to tell y'all that. I love my makeup today. I did not record it because honestly, a lot of times when I don't record my makeup looks, they look way better than when I record them. So, and I was experimenting, so I'll try to do a tutorial in the future if you guys are interested. Sometimes I just like to play around with my makeup without the added stress of a tutorial. I feel like this eyeshadow look is very dramatic, so it needed some dramatic lashes to complement it, and I feel like this pair is perfect. So the next thing is the Box of Crayons palette from the Crayon Case. So I bought this palette back in July, if I'm not mistaken, and I did a couple videos using that palette. I think I've done like 2 Makeup Mondays with that palette. I've got to live with the palette over the last like 4 months, and that palette is very good quality. And the reason why I really like it is because I have used palettes, like colorful palettes from other brands, and I've just used a lot of palettes, and that particular palette, those colors are very pigmented. They are not the kinds of colors where you have to keep building it up to get what you're looking for, and I really appreciate that. Like, I can't stand when I get a palette and I have to do so many layers to get the color payoff that I want. That palette is really good, and it's very versatile. So you have seen me do some like very bright cut creases and stuff like that, but I also have done more like neutral gold brown looks with that palette. So they have all the colors that you need, but they also have like a section of neutrals in that palette, like whites and black, brown, and tan. So here's the Box of Crayons palette here. These are all the colors that you get, and you get a mirror. I have fingerprints all over it, but you get a mirror, so that's really good, especially if you're doing your makeup on the go. So you see, you get all your brights here and then your neutrals up here, so you can get a more well-rounded look because you do have neutrals in there to kind of anchor it. The palette is $32, which is like a mid-range price for an eyeshadow palette, which to me is already really good, especially for a bigger palette like this. But they do have a lot of sales on their website, which I appreciate. If you sign up for like their newsletter, or if you turn on your notifications on Instagram, they do have a lot of sales. And I think I have purchased from them already like 5 times over the last like 4 months, which is a lot in my opinion. They had like a 50% off sale like a few weeks ago, and I finally got the I think it's Watch Me Blush. I think it's called the Watch Me Blush palette. I haven't unboxed it yet, but I got that palette, and I bought one of these for a future giveaway. So because this is one of my favorite palettes. So if you're looking for a colorful palette that's still versatile because it has neutrals, definitely check out this palette. Okay, the next thing is the Inglot Gel Liner. If you watched my recent makeup tutorial where I do my signature makeup look, you guys saw that that's what I use for my wing liner. I love the Inglot Gel Liner in 77 because it's so black, and to me it's easy to use and it's easy to get my, you know, really dark matte wings, and I have that on today with this makeup look. I wouldn't just buy the gel liner alone. You have to get, in my opinion, you have to get the Duraline from Inglot as well, because I've had that gel liner for probably 2 years, and with gel liners they dry up. So with a Duraline you just put a few drops in and it makes your liner more fluid. So I love that liner. It's one of the blackest eyeliners I've tried. Last makeup related item is the Clean Kisses gloss from the crayon case. So I am always on the hunt for a lip gloss that is very pigmented but still has that shine. The ColourPop lip gloss that I was loving earlier this year, but it was discontinued, and so I was on the hunt for another pinkish nudish gloss that was very pigmented, because some glosses are just sheer, but I want some with a little bit of color to it. So I'm always on Instagram and I'm always looking at what other people use, especially women of color use for glosses and whatnot. So I bought this Clean Kisses gloss a couple months back. I've loved it ever since. I apply this usually after I put on a brown lip liner, a nude lipstick, and then I top it with this, and it always looks very good. So if you ever see me on Instagram with like a nude lip combo, it's usually gonna be this. Every once in a while I switch it up and try a different gloss, but I always come back to this. If I use the other glosses from that collection, I'll update you guys, but the Clean Kisses one is a definite must-have. Even when I'm not wearing like lipstick and I want a little bit of color on my lips and I want it to look like I'm trying a little bit, I'll put this gloss on. So as far as YouTube, I watch YouTube all the time, like all the time. And recently I started watching again Thrifters Anonymous. I used to watch them like when I first got on YouTube, like a long time ago, like 2014. That's when 2014 is when I started watching their channel. But over the years, you know how YouTube has changed, like people that you have subscribed since day one, sometimes you don't get notifications that they make new videos. So over the last like month or so, I went on their channel and I realized they still upload a lot, just not get notifications of their videos. So I've been binge watching their stuff. They're just so funny. It's two ladies, Shayna and Edwina, and they go thrifting, and they're just really, really funny. So if you're into thrifting and people that are just really funny, definitely check out Thrifters Anonymous. I love their channel so much. And it makes me feel like I want to go thrifting again, because I haven't gone thrifting in a while. I'm trying to get rid of some clothes just so I can bring in new ones. So I think I'm gonna go thrifting for like sweaters for the fall and winter, because really sweaters from other stores are really expensive and I don't want to spend like $30 on one sweater. So I think I'm gonna go thrifting very soon. To include my Van sneakers, and like everybody has these shoes, like everybody has these. If you look at like everybody on Instagram when they're taking like fashion pictures or anything like that, they have on those. And Adrian bought me some of these earlier this year, and ever since I got them, like I wear them all the time. They just go with everything, and they just have this kind of effortless, casual look, and I just love them. I wear them with leggings, jeans, whatever. Like those are my go-to sneakers, and I don't have a lot of shoes. Like, yeah, most of the sneakers that I have are Vans. I love Vans. I recently got some of the slip-on Vans, but they're really cool because I don't have to like tie my shoes. I know that sounds lazy, but I like really comfortable clothes and shoes. The only thing is that's that checkered pattern, and sometimes that can clash with certain patterns and stuff. So I always stick to these because they go with like literally everything. If you ever like look at my selfies and stuff on Instagram, or just look at me in my videos, I have on like gold dainty necklaces, and I just feel like they look so good. I don't really do statement necklaces anymore. I just really do like the multi-strand necklaces like this, and I get pretty much all of my necklaces like this from Forever 21 because everything is usually around $5, $5 or $6, and I don't have on like anything super fancy right now, but I feel like it does add to like basic pieces. So if you're looking for, you know, necklaces or earrings or anything like that, accessories to kind of wake up your wardrobe, definitely check out Forever 21 because it's really affordable, and it's really cute stuff. I have several necklaces from Forever 21, and I have a few from Walmart from like 4 years ago that I still wear, and I need to go to Walmart and see what their accessory section is hitting for, but for now, I'm in love with Forever 21's accessories. Last thing, I wanted to mention some wigs that I have been loving over the last month. The first one is obviously Pop Blossom. If you follow me on Instagram, you know, like, even when I'm not posting reviews and stuff, I'm wearing that wig. That wig just gives me all of my bohemian life. I love that wig. It's on my 2017 favorites list, and I don't think I can include it on my favorites list this year because it's not 2018. It's not from 2018, but I love that wig. If you haven't seen that, you know, if you haven't seen my review on it, definitely check it out. Check out my update on it. Like, I love that wig. And the last wig I've been pleasantly surprised that I love it so much is Freetress Trinity. Now, if you watch the original review from 2 years ago, I did not like it that much, but I recently picked it up for the fall wig lookbook, and ever since that review, I have worn it a lot, and I really like it. It's so sleek. Like, it definitely serves Aaliyah vibes when I wear it. I love that wig too. Now it does give me a little bit of like hump action a little bit. It just depends on how my hair is braided, but if I'm not, I have to make sure my hairline is together with that wig, but after I spend a little bit of time with it, I really like the sleek look of it. So yeah, that was everything for this month's favorites video. Is there anything that you guys think you guys will like check out after watching this video? Let me know in the comments section. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. And before I go, I wanted to sneak in my 90K giveaway, and I wanted it to be in a video like this, a video that's not necessarily, you know, popular on my channel, but I know for sure my core following, the ones who watch my videos no matter what, they're going to be watching this video anyway, so they probably have like a better chance of winning the giveaway because they watch my videos anyway. So for this giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel. All you have to do is comment below as you normally would. Don't mention anything about the giveaway in the comment section. I'm going to be giving away one prize. I'm going to be giving away 3 prizes to one of my subscribers. So if you are the lucky subscriber to win this giveaway, you're going to get a $100 Amazon gift card. It's going to be an e-gift card, so it's going to be sent to your email. You're also going to get the box of crayons palette from the crayon case that I showed you guys in this video, as well as some of the crayon case eyeshadow brushes. So I want to thank you guys so much for getting me to this point. It's a very big deal, bigger than, you know, I give myself credit. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your continued support, and I'll have more details like at the bottom of the description box. So if you're kind of confused about the giveaway still, I'll have some information at the bottom of the description box, so just check it out. And again, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.